Hello, everybody. We're on question number 209 today. The point of these videos is for you to feel ready if you have a DevOps or SRE interviews coming up. I try to cover all the important topics in as much width and depth possible so that your knowledge about these topics is formidable when you go into an interview. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It's nothing for you, but it actually makes a big difference in my channel. So I would really appreciate if you did do that. Um, I did some research and I came up with these 15 topics and I sorted them by important based on how many times these words showed up in the job descriptions for DevOps jobs. So as you can see, cloud, CI/CD pipelines, performance, and coding, those are top four or five. The ones at the bottom are not as important, but they are not negligible. You do have to learn something about the containers and GitHub and Terraform and all that. But yeah, for sure, spend more time and energy on the first 5 or 6 topics. Okay, today we're on topic number 12, Terraform. Now, I don't know why this topic came up at number 12. I really sincerely think this should be at least top 5. So please do not ignore Terraform. It is super important for any DevOps and necessary interviews these days. Question today is, in Terraform, how do you list all items in your state? And how do you move state from one place to another? And how do you remove just one item out of, let's say, 100 from your state? If you don't know what a state is in Terraform, please look that up. I'm not going to go over that in this video today because now we're getting a little deeper into state management of Terraform. Suffice to say that basically state is what you have in the cloud in a coded form in either local or in a remote state. So real quick before I get to the answer, Floyd Spencer is my career advisor. This is not an ad. He's very passionate about helping people. He has helped me and many other people to get better jobs. So if you're in the market, go ahead and sign up for his 1 hour free session that he's giving out so you can get his help. It really would be worth your while. Okay, so if you want to just see what items we have in your state, simple command to run is terraform state list. If you want to move state from one place to another, you do a terraform state move command, just like a Unix command. If you let's say that you have 100 items in your state, so you have 100 resources in the cloud, but you somehow for whatever reason, and I have other videos to talk about why that would be, but let's say that you want to remove just one item from your state file, you just do a terraform state rm, just like a Unix command, and then the id of that state. So basically what it does is it's really just a wrapper for removing some part of the text file that you can actually read in your local or in your S3 bucket, whatever, where the state file is kept. State file is actually readable, ASCII readable, so you can read them, but reading them is actually kind of cumbersome. It's not really like it is readable, but it's kind of complicated and long and whatnot. It's like, I think it's JSON format, if I remember correctly. Anyway, this is a way to remove a particular item without having to edit the file itself by hand. That's really what all that's all about. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any comments or if you want me to cover a particular topic, find me on LinkedIn or leave a comment below and I will get to it as soon as possible. So that's it for today, and I will see you